What is the difference between amr and what is the difference between khalq? You see, Allah has two processes of creation. One is the process of amr. إنما أمره إذا أراد شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون. His creation of amr is that he commands. He says kun fayakun. It is done. And then there is another world of creation, and that is the world of khalq. So, and this is spread out in the Holy Quran. Allah says, يُدَبِّرُ الْأَمْرَ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ إِلَى الْأَرْضِ ثُمَّ يَعْرُجُ إِلَيْهِ فِي يَوْمٍ كَانَ مِقْدَارُهُ أَلْفَ سَنَةٍ مِمَّا تَعُدُّونَ. The amr of Allah, the command of Allah goes through the natural creation of God. For example, the natural creation of God, which is khalq, fire, you must burn. Fire burns. Fire has heat. If somebody is thrown into the pits of fire, what happens? What happens? They burn. The water is supposed to occupy the space that it has. But Allah says, His amr goes to His khalq, His amr goes to His creation, and says to the fire, Ya naru kuni bardan wa salaman ala Ibrahim. Allah gives the amr, the order, to the fire, and it changes into paradise. Allah gives an order to what? The water of Musa, and it splits open. Which kind of water splits open? Naturally, water should not split open. But Allah says, my amr is above my khalq. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, the human being, we, me and you, we are made of both khalq and amr. The khalq is the part that we are created from teen, from clay, right? So we are limited by time. 70 years, 80 years, 100 years. We're limited by time. But nobody's unlimited when it comes to his khalq. Pay attention to this. We are also limited by space when it comes to our khalq. So we occupy a certain space. Allah also did the khalq of the sun, occupies a space. He did the khalq, the creation of this universe, so it occupies a space. So we are limited by time and space when it comes to our khalq. But Allah says we have another part to us, and that is ruh. وَيَسْأَلُونَكَ عَنِ الروح قُلِ الروح مِنْ وَنَفَخْتُ فِيهِ مِنْ. So this ruh that is within us makes us unlimited. وَيَسْأَلُونَكَ عَنِ الروح قُلِ الروح مِنْ أَمْرِ رَبِّي. The ruh has no limit. So Allah here He alludes to this. Now come to verse number 7. الَّذِي أَحْسَنَ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ خَلَقَهُ. Allah perfected everything that He created in alam al-khalq, the trees and the rivers and the universe and the skies and the galaxies and the human body and the small insects. Perfection in His creation of khalq.